US futures traded in a narrow range and with modest bearishness with the Asia and Europe session. We have seen a slight range bound movement across S&P, Nasdaq and Dow. Big day today for indices. Already we have seen a massive rally all the way till yesterday. Can we expect this rally to continue with the rate cut decision, with the rate cut projections? Can we expect another record highs here in indices, or it is going to crash hard as we have seen a longer stretched bull run? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading S&P, Nasdaq and Dow today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can also profit across Asia and Europe session trading US futures. And now, before the US session, the second update so that you can profit with the spot market. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into Tech 100. First, we look into S&P 500, followed with Nasdaq and the Dow. Watch till S&P 500. Since this greater slide, what we had seen yesterday, now it is trading in this narrow bearish channel here. Very important for S&P to trade beyond 6620. As long as it stays below 6620, do not trade this for a reversal. In fact, even if you see it is staying beyond 6615, you can buy. However, I can see a greater resistance on the upside. Also notice drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, and now I'll wait for it to trade below 6600 mark. Now 6600, 6590 and 6580, these are the levels which Tech 100 S&P 500 has to trade below. Any drop below 6580, any drop below 6580 is a confirmation for beginning of the next round of correction, which could take it further low. Yes, the indicators are suggestive of more bearishness here, and already trading bearish and is still having room for further drop. Look at the 2 hour similar observation here. See, first the 5 and 20 period moving averages crossed over here. Second, the lower highs which it is posting a slight bearish indication. Let it stay below 6600 mark, and then it is very crucial for it to trade below 6590, 6580. Till 6580, do not trade this as bearish. Stochastic comfortably placed. MACD trading with sharp divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped sharp as well. Look at the 3 hour. After a while now, the 3 and the 20 period moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. Slight bearish indication it is. Also look at the highs here. Greater resistance is available on the upside. The current candle comes with a bigger body, and hence once it trades now below 6600, you can stay with the sells. However, I will say till 6580 is not taken, you should not be treating this for a bearish move here. Stochastic rising from the bottom, the MACD has crossed over at the top. This is what we had discussed few hours back. That see, in general, S&P from these levels reverses, and see what has happened here might replicate here as well. RSI looking downwards, slight bearish shine it is. Look at the 4-hour charts. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Lower highs, lower lows. 20 period offering it a very good support, and hence we have to stay. We have to watch a little below 65.19, 65.80 how it behaves. A drop below which should confirm a stronger down move here. Stochastic at bottom. See, MACD since retracing at the top, crossed over, trading bearish. RSI dropped as well. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts here. You can see what has happened. Yesterday's candle was an indecision candle, and see, it can still bounce back. Only reversal confirmation is if it trades below 65.80 mark. Yes, if it trades below 65.80, that's the beginning of further or stronger down move here. See, the price is trading sharply with divergence from the 20 period, which is right now sitting at around 65.20 mark. So it is possible that once it trades below 65.80, it can deliver a massive down move here towards 65.40, 65.50, the first target zone, 65.20 the next. Stochastic overbought, MACD is still in green, RSI at the top here. So considering this, what I'll recommend, see, buying I'll recommend is at 66.14 levels, expected to move towards 66.20, 24 first target zone, 66.36.40 as the next. If this is taken, stay bullish for 66.60, and then in fact higher. Yes, if it trades beyond 66.60, we are looking forward to a greater up move towards 66.85, 6700 mark, chances for which appears to be very less, looking at the bullishness what we had seen in the last few weeks. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 65.94 levels, expect 65.88, 65.80, very good support, 65.74. Now let it stay below 65.74. This will confirm the possible greater slide here, taking it towards 65.50 first, 65.35 second, and then 65.20. Below 65.20, it will begin another round of drop towards 6500 mark. and below that it should deliver a greater down move, taking it all the way towards 64.50 and lower levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Tech 100 on the early chart. See, after this great slide, it is traded sideways here. It is trying to give you a breakout here. Let it stay below 44, 240 and 200 zone, 24, 240 and 200 zone. Earlier in the day, I had mentioned this zone between 24, 200 and 300 is crucial here. It is staying in the box here. Let it come out of this box. A drop below 24, 200 should confirm the next down move towards 24, 100. 24 140 150 24 070 and 24,000 levels. Moving averages crossing over here, slight bearish indication it is. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness here. Look at the 2-hour charts, what's happening. The flat top and then this bearishness. Let it stay below 24 240 200 zone, and then we can expect a greater down move. Stochastic plays comfortably, the MACD bearish, the RSI bearish here. Look at the 3-hour chart. Similar observation. After a while now, the price is kissed the 20 period here. I will definitely observe if at all it trades below 20 period, and if yes, how far it is going to stretch below 20 period. That is very, very crucial, because the more it stretches on the downside, first support level should be at around 24 100 0, and then 24,000 should be seen as the next target. Stochastic retracing, MACD crossing over at the top, staying bearish. RSI also suggestive of slight bearishness. On the 4-hour charts, when you see the 20 period at 24 200, very, very good support. Below this, definitely aggressive stance can be seen by Tech 100. On the upside now, 24 300 320, this is the zone it has to trade beyond. If at all it trades beyond this, expect it to trade further bullish here. MACD crossing over at the top, it's a bearish indication. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, look at the move here. We have seen the 5 period so far offering it a very, very good support. Every time it has taken the support and seen a good rise. Now it is trading with divergence. It might try to kiss the 5 period at least, which means it might try to move towards 24 200 180 zone at least. And if that is taken, we can stay short. We can expect a good move which could take it all the way towards 24 100 levels. And below 24 100, remember, we are waiting for a greater slide. It might try to hit hard all the way towards 24,000 23,800 levels also, but too early to jump onto that conclusion. It is still staying bullish, and the rate cut might further fuel the rise here. The indicators, though the stochastic is overbought, the MACD and RSI is still having room for further rise. So looking at this, what you can do first is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy now at 24 300 320 zone. If this is taken, you can expect 24 360, 24 400, and then beyond 24 400 stay bullish for 24 500. Beyond 24 500, it is not going to come back. It is going to be 24 650, 24 800 levels directly. Chances for which appears to be less. However, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 24 230. Expect 24 200 180 first target levels, then 24 100 the next, then 24,000, and if it trades below 24,000, possibility is there that 23,800 will be seen today itself. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow. And before we proceed, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do join my 34th mentorship batch. Commenced this week itself. You can still be part of it. Register yourself now. What you get along with, if you join this batch, you can rejoin any of the next 3 batches. You can take the live classes again if you want to re-attend. You'll also get the recordings. You will also get the access to the students channel here, definitely, where we handhold and we support each and every student in their trading decisions. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. Write an email or ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to just trade as per trade with the trusted partner, which offers you a SWIFT-free account with low SS%, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the hourly charts, see, drop, retracement, bigger drop, sideways movement or retracement. Now see, if you connect, it has waited for the moving averages to come down. Now the moving average is definitely offering it a little resistance. The downside is wide open till towards 45 500, 45 400 levels. Resistance on the upside pretty strong. So now if you see US 30 trading above 45 820, you can buy here. Till 45 820, do not initiate a buy. And once it trades beyond 45 820, expect it to move towards 45 900 920 at the first, 45 950. Till 45 950, it has got greater resistance. Reversal confirmation is above 45 950. See, the stochastic is the top. The MACD after hitting the It has crossed over here and it is trading bullish. The RSI is flat. On the 2 hour, similar observation here. The support from the 100 period is pretty strong. Let it stay below 45,700 levels and that will confirm further down move. As long as 45,700 is not taken, be cautious. The moving averages have crossed over, which is a slight bearish indication here. Stochastic rising. The MACD has hit a bottom, waiting for it to cross over for a buy. The RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. The drop here, the retracement, the drop here. Sideways movement, it could stretch this sideways movement. See, ideally this is trading in this bearish channel. Very, very important for US30 to trade beyond 45,950. As long as 45,950 is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. As long as 45,950 is not taken, at least 45,600 is assured here. Stochastic rising, MACD staying bearish, RSI flat. On the 4 hour charts also similar observation here. Right now the 50 period is offering it a very, very good support, and that is why I say you have to wait for 45,700 to be taken in order to confirm any kind of bearishness. MACD bearish, stochastic rising. Coming to date, notice on the daily charts preceding candle comes with lower highs, increasing bearishness. Today it has started bearish. Possibility is there that it may erase the gains from this candle, which means at least it should move towards 45,600. And if it does trade below 45,600, that should commence the beginning of the reversal here, which could take it all the way towards 45,200 and 45,000 levels very, very soon. So considering this, what you can do, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy at 45,820 levels. Expect 45,900 and 45,950. If at all it trades beyond 45,950, that should confirm a possible reversal, which is going to take it towards 46,100 and 46,250 levels. And in fact higher, yes, 46,500 the next. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 45,700. Expect 45,600 at least. This is the first support zone. And then below this, the possibility of a move towards 45,480, 45,400 will be very, very high. Below 45,400, stay short for 45,200 and 45,000 levels here. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Trade with the caution, specifically with the Fed and Chairman Powell's conference. Volatility ahead. Trade accordingly, trade with caution. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.